This is pretty much what it looks like here. Everything seems to function as is. The only thing I need to try to get sorted out is going to be my radio, because all I hear is static. I'm pretty sure it's that antenna piece. I need to figure out some type of conversion piece on it. You'll notice right here at the very top, they don't fit perfectly. So we'll see if I decide to keep this or not. This whole device, I will tell you, was only I think it was $189, and it's from China. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. If you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. Oh, I forgot, my steering wheel keys right here aren't working either, so I need to figure out how to, I don't know if it's like resyncing it or what, but I'll figure that out. Thank you very much. Alright, so I want to give you guys an update real quick. So I got everything programmed and figured out. Some downfalls I'll share with you is that none of my steering wheel key controls work. I know there is a workaround with it because it's some type of decoder I can purchase as a toggle add-on. Again, I'll play with that more here in just a moment. There's two profiles essentially. So if you hit the home button right here, there's obviously a glare, so sorry about that. Actually, I can't really do anything to block that. But so this is what the Android Play looks like. But if you go into your menu right here, scroll over to where it says Z-Link, you tap it, and then it'll switch you over to your AirPlay mode, and that way it'll mirror your iPhone, which is super awesome. And so far it's working out great. You just enable, oh I'm sorry, you have to pair this up to your Bluetooth on your iPhone and of course onto the head unit. Just want to give you that update. Everything seems to be working awesome. Very happy with it for under 200 bucks. Got a complete refresh. Looks like a brand new car. Again, don't forget to give me the thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. Leave your question and comments below for the group.